Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing, and on today's tech tip, we're going to talk about how to remove the cushion hub from a Michigan Wheel Vortec propeller. Once you have the propeller off the motor, the cushion hub generally you cannot push them out with your hand. So what I use, I got a piece of PVC pipe, put on the back side of the propeller so you don't do any damage to it. And one of two ways you can do this. You can use the aft-adapter and turn it so these ears touch the cushion hub and knock it out, or you can use a socket. For this demonstration, we'll use the aft-adapter. Put the aft-adapter on there, got my mallet. Cushion hub comes out, ready to change your prop. If this isn't damaged or cracked, you can put it in a new propeller. Hope this tech tip helps you, and remember at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.